Hi guys, shout out my dinner for today, potato with onion and parsley. Ito na guys, ang aking potato with onion and parsley, luto na. At saka ginawan ko siya ng sauce. Kain tayo guys. Yum, yum. My dinner. Masarap guys, nag-sauce na. Diba na guys?